today's video, I'm going to be reinstalling my wig. I've had this wig for 2-3 years now. This is only my second time wearing it. It's real like HD. This look good. The lace on this wig is really good, but the hair isn't really. As you can see, it's too noticeable. When I first installed this, it looked like you couldn't even tell. I'm really just hopping into this video. I know it's been a minute, haven't posted in a minute, but I'm just gonna reinstall this wig because it's just time to be washed and stuff, like wig maintenance. So push this back. Sea breeze to take this off. I probably need a towel. I couldn't really peel it off. Ooh. Just gonna get it off though for sure. I just don't want my hair ripped out. Okay, I look crazy right now. I look crazy, but we're about to get it fixed. So, got my wig out. My camera kind of crooked too. Okay, now I'm about to tie it down with the band. Alright, so I got this side. Hope you don't like this. I got that side laid. Now I'm trying to get this side. I struggle with this side too. Okay, so this is the final results. And also, I took care of the hair. I conditioned that shampoo. The hair looks so much better. Like, I thought the ends were trash, but I just need to like really take care of the hair, for real. I don't know what it looks like on the back. Take it off for y'all. That's what it's looking like. This is my good side. I ate that. Look, cause little ways. Get into it. I'm just icon. I'm just icon living. Like what? Alright, bye y'all. Focus. Okay y'all, so this is the next day. I took my lashes off. This is the lace is looking like. I didn't even put makeup on it yet. I could add a little bit of makeup, but I'm not gonna do that right now. I'm not really going nowhere. But I look good. Okay, hair is redid. It's looks more fresh. Definitely more fresh. I added some crimps because I don't like it on straight. If I had my flat iron brush, I would have straightened it. But the hair feels so much softer, very much shinier. I look a little tan because, you know, I got put some bronzer on or whatever. My favorite bronzer, you already know, sponsor me. But now I'm gonna go to the movies and watch Scream. Even though I really want to watch Creed, I'll watch it eventually. Even though I'd rather go see Creed than Scream. I feel like Scream could be a trash movie. Like, all their latest Scream stuff has just been like trash and booty. But yeah, I cleaned up the countertops just a little bit. It was messy. Hey, my hair looked good. I did that. Next wig gotta be curly. But yeah, that's it of my little hair tutorial. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Deuces.